Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can create your own Devin, your own agent. For this example, I have used Anthropic to call the cloud models, but you can use any other open source models. You can use Llama, which you can install in your local laptop. You can use LM Studio to start your own server and use that in your code. Even you can use Grok APIs, which can give the inference much faster. But for my example, I have used Anthropic because in my experience, I have found the results are much better than any other models which I have used. So without any further delay, let's jump into the code. So this is the code, and I'm not going into the details of this code, but just to demonstrate what are the models that I have used. These are the models which I have used for the orchestration as well as those defining the subagents. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to provide the API key for Anthropic. Uh, I have my own subscription and have used my own API keys for this. And also in the model itself, you can get the calculation of the cost of this orchestration for all the agents and surveillance. So without any further delay, let's run this code. So now it is asking for the objective. I will just test it with a task. Get a like app using JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So we have a capability to search it online as well, but since for this demo it will be much longer in duration, I'm not using it, and also it will be a test that how good the model is without even going into the internet because it doesn't need any recent knowledge. So the orchestrator has started running. So here the task has been divided into several subtasks. As you can see, it is going step by step. It is also giving you the cost that is needed for the orchestration models. And we are getting some codes getting generated. So it is trying to add a lot of features like it is, as you can see, the pencil tool, eraser tool, or field tool. It is trying to add, and let's see how good the results will be. Obviously, there it will be not a very much completed version. We have to do some work on it, but at least it will give you 80% of the code that is needed to generate an app, and the rest that we can fine tune it, like the fine tune that app. But let's see what the results are. So as you can see, the task is not yet completed. Here are the next subtasks to further enhance the paint app. So after breaking down the task, it is actually trying to review the task and try to enhance and add more features. And that's the beauty of any agent, as you know. So now we are getting the message as task completed, sending results to Opus. So we are now at the final stage where it's trying to refine this code, and let's see how good the results are. If everything goes well, we will get a folder structure as well with the HTML, CSS codes being properly placed in each folders. Now it's completed. Now you can see a folder has been created here. Okay, so we can see that there is an app.js, there is index.html styles. All the files has been created by this agent. And also we have a .md file where the code description is also there. Okay, So if I just want to render this index.html, I will just render this and install an extension for this. I'm just installing a server so that I can render this HTML page and see how good is this main tab. So I will now open this HTML page with a live server, and you see a beautiful app that I'm getting in my web browser. We can paint this. We have a pencil, we have an eraser. Let's see if I can. Yes, the eraser is working. Okay. We have a color palette as well. Let's see if I can. Yes, I can do this. Do is working. If I do a clear, okay, most of the buttons are working, most of the features are working. And so that's it. Like with that, I will end my demo. Thanks for your time.